Hi guys, this is the Subhash here, and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber. So it's at 6:30 in the morning now. It's pretty dark here. That's why I burn my bike's light here to show my face here. So I'm at a ride today. It's a big ride from Goa to Jokfall. It's a round circuit day. I'll show you. So what you see here beside me, it's a Shastri Linga. From here I'll take that first, then I go to Jokfall there. From there I'll go to Bhatkal, then the Muddeshwar I'll cover, then the Gokarna beach I'll cover. It may be take 2 days to cover all this. According to the Google, it shows me around 560 full circuit from here. It shows me 560. Let's see how much kilometers is away from here now. I'm at my village now, the same place where I shoot always here, and this is the Mount Chapel here. You can see behind me, that's the Mount Chapel. I already shoot this before, so I'll capture some moments there, beautiful moments. What you call that first Shastri Linga place, it's I'll take from Karwar, then the inside road from Halga, where is the paralyzed hospital is there. Then on the way I'll get the Kadra dam there, then Kaiga, then Yellapur, then I'll go to Asrilinga, where is around 200 kilometers according to the Google they say here. After that Shastrilinga I'll go to Jokfall. The Jokfall is a total distance from here is 270 kilometers one way. Then maybe from there Shastrilinga it may be some more distance. Let's see how much. Then after that I can cover only 2 places today, Shastrilinga and Jokfall. Then I'll go down from there from Bhatkal. Then I will have to stay one night. Then other day, maybe tomorrow, I'll have to cover Muddeshwar. Then Gokarna beach I'll have to cover from there. It's maybe 1 day 2 spot, but I don't know how much video it will be of this full ride. It will be around 560 they say according to the Google. Okay then guys, okay, if you like this video guys, do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos guys, and see you in the next video guys. Next ride, maybe big ride in future. Okay then. Okay, I have refilled the tank here. Full tank I have made. This is Margaon road. Then I'll change the road from Sadashivgarh before Karwar. Okay, and I have all luggage in my bag box here now. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, that's the bike there. I just stopped here. I just crossed the border here. This is Karnataka and that's the checkpost there. From here now I'll ride almost 15 kilometers, then I take the left. Okay, I am here now. This is the road, and this goes to Karwar, Mangalore, and I'll take the small road here that connects to the other road from here, around 2 kilometers maybe. Okay then. Okay friends, it's 8:30 now. I'm at this St. Mary Center here. It's a paralytic hospital there. Just here people gather, a lot of people come from Goa also for treatment here. So now I'll take this road for even I don't know how much kilometer, maybe 15. Then I'll take right from there. That's Kadra. Then we have Kadra dam there. I'll show you all that dam also there. Okay, let's go guys. Alright friends, I'm here now. It's Kadra, and this road goes to Joyda. Then it connects to the Londa, Dandeli, Halial, this way, and this road from where I have come now. And now I'll take this road. Further, there is a dam there. It's a forest area now. So 5 kilometers, there's a dam there. Okay, let's go. Okay, friend, this is Kadra Dam here. And this road connects to Yellapur road. Little bit further. I'll show you some more pictures from there. Okay, let's go. Sunlight is on my face here, that's why I can't see properly from here now. Maybe you guys can't see this properly. Okay friend, this is the dam area here, and this road connects to this road. This is Yellapur road from Karwar city. It's more than 30 kilometer I have to ride here, I think so. And this is forest area, and this road connects to the Karwar. Now I'll show you odometer, guys. It's 57 average. I ridden speed of 80 here, and 91 kilometer I've done now till now. Okay, let's go, guys. Okay friends, I am here now. This is Kaiga. Okay, and that's the road where I come from. This connects to the Karwar, and I will take this road to Yellapur from here. It's a very sunsan road. I have to take care of myself, I think so. From 5 minutes I'm now here. There's no one has passed this way. Okay, I don't afraid of such things. I am professional rider here. Okay then, let's go. Okay friend, there's the nuclear plant here from where I have come now, from that way, from this way. And this is very small road here. It's a Yellapur road. You can see maybe a little bit. And there's one guy passing here. It's a narrow road. Okay, let's go. Alright then, I'm at top of the ghat here now. It's a very small road. Only one vehicle I found on the way. One bike and one jeep. And this is the view of this place here. There are lots of people here, local people. They stay in the forest here. You see, they are farming here. And these guys, okay then guys, let's go. It's around 67 kilometers away from Karwar now. I am Okay, we don't have signal here, mobile signal. I don't know which they use here. Okay, let's go, guys. Okay, guys, from this way I have come now. It's very silent and cool place. There's no one here. Only few people. They don't have transport buses here. After 1 hour, he said me that one person here. So this is the area here, and his stall is here. I'll just have a cup of tea here. It's around 10:15 now. I just stopped to shoot this place. Around 70 kilometers away, Shastralinga, he said me like this. So around 1 hour. It will take 1 hour to reach there from here now. Maybe 11:30. I think so. Okay, I'll just have cup of tea, then leave from here now. Okay then. Alright friends, I am outside on the highway now, and this is the road where I come from now. This is the road, and I will go on this road. This road goes to Ankola from here. It's a big highway. Around I don't know how much kilometer is away from here, because I don't have signals here. Mobile signal is very weak of Jio here. This road goes to Londa and all, Hubli side. Okay, come on, let's go. And one more thing, friends, that person has told me one thing. There's one fall on the way, waterfall. What name he said? If I got chance to, even I'll capture that also. Okay then, let's go. Okay friends, I am here now. Shirley Falls. It's on the way. You see here, Shirley Falls. 20 rupees they charge for this fall. 2 kilometers away from here on the main road. This is the main road here. This same road where I showed you just now. Here. And these are the cars. They have to park your cars here and walk 2 kilometers away. I can go with the bike from here, 1.5 kilometers. Then 500 meters I have to walk from here, this side. It's a very downhill there. That side's very decline. It's like this here. This area is like here. This. It's all mountain area here. Still I don't have signal here, Jio signal, mobile signal. It's around 11:30 now in the morning. After this I'll go to Shastralinga. Let's see how much I can capture today. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, I'm at falls now, Shirley Falls. It's a fall is over here, this side, the top side, up road. 1 kilometer away from here maybe. Okay, let's walk. So I'm walking now, this kind of road. Even I can ride a bike on this road, but they asked me to stop here only. It's around 1 kilometer away, they said. Okay, let's walk. So road is like this. You see the way. So they built it nicely for walking only. I can hear the sound of waterfall. It's that side. It's a big mountain here. Okay. These people are enjoying here. A lot of people gathered, I think. Yeah. Okay, this is the fall here. मजा आया. मजा आया? देखो ये कुछ this is the how they build this. क्या हुआ?
बंद बंद बंद
Something happened to this guy, I think. क्या हुआ भाई? चक्कर आया? There's one guy who got ill, I think. This is a bridge they have here. Okay, this is how they cross here. It's nice and beautiful. They build. Okay. Yeah, this is the place here. I have to walk little bit more. Okay, let's go there. That is the person who got ill. There's the fall there. From here, we have to go down there. This is the one of the best adventure thrill without adventure bike. Very dangerous steps here. I have to be careful. Okay, I'll capture some moments later on. Okay, this way. There's one way there. It's dangerous, so I'll go with this because I have to protect myself as well. So this is the view of this place, guys. It's around 140 kilometers away from Madgaon, Goa. This fall. Okay, this is how it looks, guys. A lot of people gathered here. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Shirley Falls here in Karnataka. Fall is little bit slow here. You see, there's the fall here, but the water is less, I think. Not like other falls. So this is the place. Okay. These guys are swimming here. I'll keep my helmet here. Alright friends, that's the fall here. Even they have cave, I think it's in there. It's a big hole there. And this is the fall, Shirley Falls. It's a huge one. Even fish. They have fish also here in the water. The guy come to swim here. Okay friends, I just washed my face in the water here. People are swimming, even I feel to swim here, but it's not possible. Some other day. Okay, let's go to Sri Lanka now from here. Okay then.